So guys, some people have never known the kind of drinks to take, especially this season. They feel like going for expensive drink as in they have already bettered themselves without trying, as in giving some drinks try at home. Guys, are you one of them? Kindly watch this video from the beginning to the end. Why? Because after watching this video, you're gonna learn on how to start making drinks yourself. Guys, we are not saying buying out there is not good. It's good, but the one you do to yourself can makes you happy, and you're gonna know the quantities of stuff to add on it and the healthy kind of fruits or whatever to use. So watch us do this. So what did we have here? We have watermelon, cucumber and lime. Guys, this is three combo of kind of fruit we are using to make this our juice. Guys, why? Because weather is intense. This is what your body needs just now. This is what you're gonna be fueling your body with, because when weather is hot, only what you can thought of is the things that can refresh you, the things you're gonna use refreshing your body. So what are they? They are fruit like this. If you feel like not to eat them freshly, you can make them juicy. Okay, guys, we've put in a blender and we'll try blending them up. So, guys, as you can see, you notice that the three combination of fruits are amazing because they are very, very healthy. Lime is medicinal. Watermelon is also in 95% water. Cucumber is in 90% water. Guys, when you combine the three and blend and take it, you've already better your body. Guys, because people basically focus on expensive drinks. They are all good, but the healthy one you make to yourself is more expensive. Expensive we are talking about is not the amount you buy your drinks, not the one, not what we are, is not what we are talking about. It's how healthy it is. How healthy it is. So guys, all these ones you neglected making yourself are the ones that can better you, can build you from inside out. Why? Because they are very, very healthy, refreshing and delicious. So we'll finish blending. So the next thing to do is to strain it. So guys, if you don't have tiny strainer like this, guys, try getting it. So guys, we are using strainer in order not any impurity to pass through. So guys, we're gonna strain these twice. Why? Because I don't want to be perceiving any impurity whenever I'm taking my juice. I just want my juice to be blend. Some people don't strain it. They feel like taking it like that is the key, but as in individual differences, and you need to make your choice wisely. So we finish, we use this glass jug. Guys, I feel like this kind of fruit combination, it doesn't, there is nothing like sweetener there, because cucumber, guys, doesn't taste sweet. Lime doesn't taste sweet. It's only watermelon that tastes a little bit sweet, but the cucumber there have covered the watermelon. So I try using honey because honey is also medicinal. So as my sweetener. So guys, so I think we are done straining it. So we're gonna try putting in a jug like this. So guys, so watch us put in a can. So when you finish straining and making your juice, so kindly transfer to the fridge and keep and keep taking it gradually. So Guys, while using this jug, I don't just want it to scatter and pour everywhere. So that's why you need all this jug. Guys, buying kitchen appliances can appreciate you and appreciate your kitchen. So the technology has made everything easy for us. So using all these things can better you and also appreciate your kitchen. So guys, we are putting in a can. Guys, that's why whenever you finish taking any drinks you buy out there, kindly wash the can and keep it for further use. So sometimes some days like this gonna pop up so that you can see the can to use for your juice. So having a lot of can at home is the key, so that whenever you make your juice at home, you're gonna pour it in there and reserve to the fridge. So guys, we are done making this juice. So guys, so let's pour some in a cup to test what we make, because like as they said, seeing is believing. I finished making this, I didn't show how I manage sipping. Some people might think that we are telling lies, but I just want to use this one to show you that what we are doing here is excellent. So we'll just take this. So guys, if you never make this kind of juice before and you are wondering which kind of juice can I make in this summer period, because weather is hot, that's what the kind of juice we needed. Guys, I will recommend for you to go for the as in watery kind of fruit kind of juice. Yeah, guys, like cucumber, watermelon, they are in categories of as in 95% water kind of fruits and veggies. So I think when you go on those fruits, when you use them to make juice, I think it can bring out more water. It can help your juice as in bring out more water. As in using them no gonna require adding much water again, because they are all contain water. So guys, let me not chew my mouth. Explanation is not our mate. So guys, we are done making this. Guys, let me know what you think. This is giving. This so refreshing, healthy and delicious. So if you never know the kind of juice to make on this period, kindly grab this one. I repeat, the ingredients I use: watermelon, cucumber and lime. So these three ingredients I manage using here. The other one in the red bottle is I just made only watermelon. So that's why the other color is different from the other color. So go ahead making many kind of fruit kind of juice and stocking them in the fridge. Guys, you can put ice if you feel like, but if you want to put back to the fridge, there is no need of adding ice. Guys, give it a try and thank me later. Thanks.